Hello everyone. Welcome to Lingoland. In this video, we will learn short phrases to express opinions in Spanish. Let's begin.
Amar qué.
To love that.
Gustar qué.
To like that.
Apreciar qué.
To appreciate that.
Temer qué.
To fear that.
Estar feliz qué.
To be happy that.
Estar triste qué.
To be sad that.
Odiar qué.
To hate that.
Lamentar qué.
To be sorry that.
Preferir qué.
To prefer that.
Comandar qué.
To order that.
Demandar qué.
To ask that.
Desear qué.
To desire that.
Ordenar qué.
To order that.
Esperar qué.
To hope that.
Suponer qué.
To suppose that.
Encontrar qué.
To find that.
Es útil qué.
It is useful that.
Es confuso qué.
It is confusing that.
Es gracioso qué.
It is funny that.
Es importante qué.
It is important that.
Es necesario qué.
It is necessary that.
Es tiempo qué.
It is time that.
Es mejor qué.
It is better that.
Es normal qué.
It is normal that.
Es evidente qué.
It is evident that.
Es extraño qué.
It is strange that.
Es posible qué.
It is possible that.
Es obvio qué.
It is obvious that.
Está claro qué.
It is clear that.
No es correcto qué.
It is not right that. That is all. Hope you found the video useful. Please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe for more Spanish lessons. Until next time.